I think lobsters are magic. And to have them raise their claws to people, just put them in front of their face and say, ah, ah, that is such a thrill to me. And it's a thrill to our passengers as well.
Some of them are terrified, and some of them are like more than excited to hold them. They are just kind of that fascinating creature. They just look like monsters, you know, they look like little dragons. And then you eat it and you're like, oh, this is delicious. Like, this is all I want to eat for the rest of my life.
Maine is such an incredible place for lobsters because of the cold water. And so our cold, rocky coasts becomes a perfect breeding ground for lobsters. And I like to think that the Maine lobster is the best of the crustaceans up and down the coast.
I really enjoy meeting new people. I meet a new face every day. Giving those people those experiences and really seeing their faces light up out on the water is the best part of my job.